If you're wondering how to locate the zip code on Cash App, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will guide you through the process step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first things first, to initiate the process, begin by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. And once you've accessed the application, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the profile icon. Then just simply tap on it. Now, a menu will pop up, and among the options, find and tap on Personal, as this section is like your personal hub within Cash App where you can manage various aspects related to your profile and personal information. This is basically the go-to place for handling everything about you on Cash App. Now, once you're in the personal section, take a look around and you will discover a collection of your personal info such as your registered mobile number, email address, home address, and the information you've been searching for, which is the zip code. And that's it. That's how you easily locate the zip code on Cash App. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.